you guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Katie. As you guys can tell by the title, today we're doing a fun little what I eat in a day. I love making these videos. I know you guys enjoy seeing new recipes. All the recipes that I'm making today are very like fall themed, so very like cozy and warm. If you guys are looking for some good yummy plant-based options, I got you. These recipes are gonna be so yummy. I typically make coffee at home, but my assistant actually grabs me a latte on her way in. I just got a grande latte made with almond milk and then 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup. They don't have any like vegan pumpkin sauce at Starbucks, so what I actually like to do is add in my own creamer. So I'll show you guys really quickly the creamer that I like to use. Okay, so I have been loving these creamers by Califia Farms lately. They're dairy-free and both made with almond milk, so I like the maple caramel one and then the pumpkin spice. So it's super easy just to grab a Starbucks and then just dump in your own creamer since they don't really have like vegan pumpkin spice options. So that's what I'm drinking for my morning coffee. I'm about to go ahead and make breakfast, and before I do, I'm actually gonna take my vitamins. This video is actually in sponsorship with Seed, so shout out to Seed for sponsoring. I've been using them for, I don't know, maybe a year now, and absolutely love them. They're a really vital part of my everyday routine and what I eat, so I really wanted to share them with you guys. If you guys have never heard of Seed, this is their daily synbiotic, and it is a pre and a probiotic mixed into one, which is amazing. The daily synbiotic was created for benefits beyond just digestional health. There's so many different ways that Seed really is amazing for your body. It helps to support gastrointestinal health. It helps to support gut barrier integrity. It helps to support gut immune function. It helps to support your dermatological health and your cardiovascular health. And it also helps to support your micronutrient synthesis. So there's so many amazing ways that the daily synbiotic really helps to support your body's healthy functions. And I've noticed the biggest difference since I've started taking these. I talked about this in the last video that I talked about Seed, but I've gotten all my family hooked on them. Everyone loves them. I've noticed a lot of difference in my digestion. I've noticed a lot of difference in my skin. I feel like my skin is a lot more glowy now. I feel like it's really helping it to clear up. And overall, just the way that I feel has changed so much. And since I've been taking it for so long, I really notice the difference on the days when I don't take it. So this is an absolute staple for me every single morning. I feel like gut health is one of those things that if you have a gut that is off or that's not balanced and it's not being supported by a healthy probiotic or a prebiotic, that your gut impacts the rest of your body. It impacts your skin and so many other functions of your body. So it's really important to me that I have an amazing pre and probiotic, and Seed is totally that. I was buying Seed on my own dime long before I ever had the opportunity to work with them. So I'm a huge organic fan of the brand. So with Seed, it's actually a subscription service, so it comes right to your doorstep every single month, and they're very eco-friendly and environmental friendly, which I love. So if you guys want to check out Seed, I will have everything linked down below for you guys to check them out. Highly recommend. It's truly such an amazing product, and I've noticed the biggest difference in my life since I've started taking this. And I know I've had similar stories that I've heard from friends and family who have also started taking Seed. So I promise you guys will love this. Give it a try and then let me know down below what you guys think. I know a lot of you from my last video also said that you guys got it, so give me a little progress update. Let me know how you guys are loving it, and thank you so much, Seed, for sponsoring this video. Okay guys, for breakfast we are making these muffins, which a lot of the recipes I'm going to show you guys are going to be all on my Pinterest, which will be linked down below if you guys want to check those out. Okay guys, muffins just came out of the oven. They look and smell so freaking good. I actually added on a little bit of some toppings, so I just put some walnuts in a food processor and then put a tiny bit of brown sugar on there with it, and then just sprinkle that on top of the muffin just to give them a little extra something. So I'm so freaking excited to try one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and pop one on a plate and then have my breakfast. Okay guys, for lunch I'm making a big kale salad. I found this recipe on Pinterest again and it looks so good. So I'm just putting a little base of kale, And then I also just air fried some butternut squash and then some chickpeas. I'm really excited. I've actually never had butternut squash before, so I'm really excited to try this. Basically all I put in there was just some paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder, just like some like super basic seasonings, and then just air fried it at 400 for about 15 minutes. And I'm also gonna sprinkle a few sunflower seeds on here for a little added crunch. And then for the dressing, I'm gonna use this Green Goddess dressing from Trader Joe's. It's my absolute favorite. It has avocado, green onion, lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. So I feel like it literally just like goes so well on everything. So this is just what I am having for lunch. It literally looks so good. I'm so excited to try this. Again, this recipe is from Pinterest and I'll have it linked down below for you guys as well if you guys wanna give it a try. Okay guys, for a snack, I'm gonna have a few of these little hazelnut and chocolate bites from Daily Harvest. I love Daily Harvest foods. I eat them so much, but I love these little bites. This is just what they look like. They're seriously so good. They're like the perfect little like energy bite. You can eat them frozen or you can wait for them to kind of like thaw out a little bit. These ones have avocado, hazelnut, cacao, chia, reishi, and vanilla bean in them. So I really like that they have great ingredients. It's all super transparent what they put in them. So it's the perfect like little snack if you're craving a little something but don't want a full meal. So I'm gonna have a few of these while I get some work done, and then I will check in with you guys for dinner. Okay guys, for dinner I am actually making some spaghetti and meatballs. I'm just using these Beyond meatballs in an Italian style. I've actually never had these before, so I'm excited to try them, but I typically like Beyond Meat stuff. Since these are already seasoned, I'm keeping it like super simple and just gonna like put a little bit of olive oil in here, help them get a little bit crispy on the outside. And then I already have all of my protein pasta cooked. I think it's called Barilla. And I love it because like a 2-ounce serving has like 10 to 15 grams of protein, I think it is. So this is my favorite pasta. We're gonna be using this sauce by the brand Truff, and it's actually a black truffle sauce. It is the most amazing pasta sauce, you guys. They sent me a huge PR package a few months ago, and I used all of their stuff so quickly, and they actually just recently started selling this one at Sprouts. It's a little bit pricey. It's like almost $15 for like a little bottle of pasta sauce, which is insane, but it is literally the most delicious pasta sauce in the entire world. So very excited to have this. It's always like a little treat to have because it's honestly like not the healthiest, but it is absolutely delicious, so it's totally worth it. Okay, just finished cooking the spaghetti and the meatballs. It looks so freaking good. Please go try the sauce and let me know how you guys like it. It's an absolute game changer for spaghetti. So I'm gonna eat my dinner and then I will check in with you guys right after. All right, you guys, as per usual, finishing my night off with some of my favorite peppermint tea. This is like my favorite thing to have every single night before I go to bed. I love a good like warm, cozy drink before I go to bed. Of course, I'd rather be drinking coffee, but I'm not gonna drink coffee at like 11 at night. So I like to just make some of this tea, and peppermint tea is like great for digestion and everything like that as well. So I'm gonna drink my tea and then go to bed, and that's pretty much it for my what I eat in a day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.